family. So guys, today guys, let me just show you guys. Did you remember the last time that I did a video about these plants, guys? Before it was green and there's flowers, now they are all red. Yeah, as you can see, they are colorful. I think this one is good for like Christmas because they are red. Look at that, everywhere is red. And the last time it was green everything, and now they are red. They look so fantastic. They're so beautiful. I just love watching them while I'm walking around. Yeah, they have a lot of trees there. I really don't know what's the name of this plant. Yeah, but this one is just getting my attention because the color, it looks like a fruit. I don't know if it's a fruit. See, they're really beautiful, guys. I just love it. Yeah, look at that. Today is my birthday, guys, so I still went to walk and then I said let me just take a video because I just saw it like that, guys. Oh, look at that. I love the colors. It's perfect on Christmas Day, and since it's my birthday also, look at that. I said let me just do a video small of these flowers. They're everywhere here, and look at that. Yeah. They're over there. Yeah, look at that, guys. Perfect. Look at the colors. Oh, I just love it. Yeah. Look at that. Ang ganda nila tingnan, promise. I love watching them. See that? Yeah, over there, there's a lot there. And the sunrise over there, guys. Yeah, the place over there. And that's maybe also over there. So, ito lang ang kunting update sa plant na ito, guys. Yeah. So, yung pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. They're a lot here. They're everywhere. So, once again, thank you for watching Damos family. God bless everyone. Be safe all the time. And shout out to all my members, my subscribers, my supporters. Thank you so much, guys, sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Damos family. Bye!